Hello, and thank you for joining me on today's video blog. I'm Steven Pilkington with the Path Home team, and today we're going to discuss how do you stay in contact with your clients during the holiday season. So during the holiday season, it's pretty normal for a lot of agents, especially, to kind of put it in coast mode, to spend more time up in the mountains. We all want to spend more time with our family, yet in my opinion, this is the best time to reach out to your clients, and I want to give you a couple of reasons why. Number one, as we're wrapping up the year, it's an amazing time to express gratitude. For anyone that you worked with in the last, I would say in the last 24 to 36 months, it's a great idea to reach out to them and just say, thank you so much for the opportunity. I just wanted to express gratitude that I know you, that you trusted me with this incredible purchase, sale, investment opportunity, and really looking forward to what the future has to come. And that's also a great way to transition into, by the way, is there anything I can help you with right now? Don't make it a sales pitch. In my opinion, when you're doing a gratitude call, make it about gratitude. Usually if somebody does have something they want to talk to you about, they'll bring it up. So number one, start with gratitude. Number two, just wish them happy holidays. So ideally, you know what holiday is that they're celebrating, whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever. Make sure that you know what somebody is celebrating and then wish them a happy holidays. That is something that we send out holiday cards to all of our clients, and we always want to make sure that it's very inclusive because while we don't want to offend anyone, we also want to make sure that we're appealing to as many people as possible, and we don't always ask our clients that information. You can pick up some of it from social media, so that's a great way to do it. That's, speaking of social media, another fantastic way to stay in contact with your clients. Take some time and really time block when you see somebody make a post that's holiday related, that's anything related, that you can comment on. Work to send them not just a DM, see if you can send them like a video text, see if you can send them a video DM, just saying, hey, I saw your post, you're on my heart, I really just wanted to reach out to you and say hello. And so that can be another fantastic one. As we get in past some of the holidays that are coming up, especially like past Christmas, it can be an amazing opportunity to reach out and say, hey, the end of the year is coming. Do you have any questions about taxes for real estate? Or, hey, the end of the year is right around the corner. Are you curious what your real estate portfolio value is worth? We'd be happy to get you an analysis just to let you know, just because a lot of our clients really like to update their net worth at the end of the year. We do hold ourselves out as we're not just realtors, we are real estate wealth advisors. My background was asset management, high net worth asset management, investment banking. So it comes across pretty well, but please feel free to take that one there and say that you're a real estate wealth advisor. So reach out to them and find out, like, are they curious about the value of their real estate portfolio? Are they curious about what's going on? I've gotten a lot of calls from clients about, hey, what's this whole thing about commission that I'm hearing? And so make sure you're up on that. And so the great thing is in Colorado, we're one of 6 states that's already had agency agreements as a requirement for buyers. So it's not going to affect us as much as some other states. So make sure you're prepared for those conversations. And then finally, the last way to reach out that I highly recommend is Happy New Year. It's 2024. What are your plans for real estate? Are you interested in making any improvements, any changes, renovations? Do you have any questions? How can I be your go-to resource to save you the time and effort of doing the research, doing whatever it is that you're going to do? That I'm here for you. So I hope you've gotten some value out of ways to stay in communication with your clients during the holidays. Again, now is a phenomenal time. And I didn't even bring up one of the last ones. Like this weekend, we're doing a client appreciation event where we've got folks coming in for a portrait shoot. We've got Santa coming, all that. That's another one. You can host events, a great way to communicate. So, but I hope you got some value. If you didn't, please comment, message me. If you did, please let me know. If you would like a personalized consultation, just a coaching call for 15 to 30 minutes, it's something I offer out there to realtors. I'm always a big believer of building the realtor community there. And until next time, stay safe, have a happy holiday out there, stay healthy, and I look forward to connecting with you again.